Have you ever found yourself faced with a large task or project that feels too overwhelming to tackle? It can be easy to get stuck in a cycle of procrastination and anxiety. But there are ways to break down these large tasks and improve your productivity. Hello and welcome to Wizcabin. In this video, we'll show you how to break down large tasks and thereby completing your goals. So let's get started. First, start by identifying the main objective of the task or project. What is the end goal you're trying to achieve? This will help you focus on the key elements and avoid getting bogged down by small details. For example, if you're working on a research paper, your main objective might be to create a well-researched and organized document that effectively communicates your ideas. Breaking down a large task into smaller parts can be daunting, but creating a visual representation can help make the process more manageable. A mind map, flowchart, or diagram can provide a visual roadmap of the task, showing how different components fit together and interact with one another. This can help you better understand the relationships between the different parts of the task and help you identify any potential roadblocks or challenges that you may face along the way. Creating a visual representation can also be a creative way to engage your brain and help you come up with new ideas or approaches to tackling the task at hand. Creating a to-do list of the specific actions you need to take to accomplish each part of the task is a great way to start. This will help you to stay organized and track your progress. Prioritizing your list based on the level of importance and urgency of each task can also help you to manage your time more effectively. You may also want to consider breaking down your to-do list even further by setting deadlines for each task. This can help you to stay on track and avoid procrastination. Additionally, consider grouping related tasks together, such as tasks that require similar resources or expertise. This can help you to avoid switching between different types of tasks and increase your efficiency. Overall, breaking down large tasks into smaller, actionable steps can help you to achieve your goals with greater ease and efficiency. So, the next time you're faced with a daunting project or task, take a deep breath, break it down, and get to work. And finally, don't forget to take breaks and recharge your energy. Taking breaks is crucial when it comes to productivity. Studies have shown that taking regular breaks can help you maintain focus and productivity over a longer period of time. It's important to give your brain a chance to rest and recharge in between periods of intense work. So, don't feel guilty for taking a break. It can actually help you work more efficiently in the long run. In conclusion, by breaking down large tasks into smaller, more manageable pieces, you can increase your productivity and achieve better results. Start by identifying your objectives, creating a plan, and prioritizing your tasks. Remember to take breaks and recharge your energy along the way. By implementing these tips, you can overcome overwhelm and stay on track towards achieving your goals. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to like and share the video. Your support helps us create more content for you. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video.